Toby is puffing along his branch line. Suddenly, he sees something. There's a strange-looking shadow in the field. Toby wonders what it is. Can you guess? This shadow is long and it has 4 long arms. The 4 long arms are going slowly round in a circle. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a windmill. There's another shadow on the side of Farmer McColl's barn. Toby wonders what it is. Can you guess? The shape at the top looks like a hat. And there are 2 arms that stick straight out. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a scarecrow. Now Toby sees another shadow. This shadow is getting smaller and smaller. Toby wonders what it is. Can you guess? It's a round shape with something spinning at the top. Can you guess what it is? Of course, it's Harold the helicopter. Hello, Harold. Did you guess what all the shadows were? Toby did. Well done, everyone. This telegraph pole needs to be taken to the docks. Gordon, Edward, and Emily all want to do the job. But only one of their flatbeds is exactly the same size as the telegraph pole. Can you tell which one it is? Let's look at Gordon's flatbed. No, Gordon's flatbed is too big. It's longer than the telegraph pole. What about Edward's flatbed? Perhaps that is the right size. No, Edward's flatbed is too small. It's shorter than the telegraph pole. Now, only Emily is left. Is her flatbed the right size to take the telegraph pole to the docks? Yes, Emily's flatbed is not too big and not too small. It is exactly the right size to take the telegraph pole. Well done, Emily. Now you can go to the docks. Someone new has arrived on Sodor. Here are some dots. If we join these dots, we'll see who it is. Can you guess who it might be? Let's join the dots and find out. Off we go. Whoever this is, he has a pointed nose at the front and some small wheels underneath. There's something long and pointed sticking out from one side. Do you know who this is yet? Here's a triangle-shaped tail at the back, and also something sticking out from the other side. They look like wings. Who can it be? That's right. It's Jeremy the jet plane. Welcome to Sodor, Jeremy. All the engines on Sir Topham Hatt's railway look different. Can you tell who this is? This engine has 2 big pairs of wheels, 5 small pairs of wheels, and a tall, thin funnel. What else can we see on this engine? It's the number 2. Can you remember which of Sir Topham Hatt's engines is number 2? Here's another clue. This engine is a beautiful bright blue color. Only one engine on Sodor has all those wheels, is blue, and wears the number 2. Do you know who it is? That's right. It's Edward. Hello, Edward. Sir Topham Hatt has sent Percy and Thomas to collect some freight cars. How many freight cars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 freight cars. How many freight cars should Thomas and Percy each pull? Thomas takes 5 freight cars. That only leaves 1 freight car for Percy. Percy wants to take the same number of freight cars as Thomas. How many freight cars should Percy take? Percy takes 4 freight cars. Now Thomas only has 2 freight cars. They still haven't got the same number of freight cars. How many freight cars should they each take? Thomas takes 3 freight cars. How many does Percy have? 1, 2, 3 freight cars. The same number as Thomas. They have 3 freight cars each. Well done, Percy and Thomas. Today, the suspension bridge on the island of Sodor is closed. Thomas has to take a new route to the children's school. Percy tells Thomas the way. First, Percy tells Thomas, you go over Gordon's Hill. Then, steam through Kelsthorpe Station. And then along by the old windmill until you arrive at the school. Thomas is ready to set off for the school. Can you remember where he goes first? First, Thomas goes over Gordon's Hill. Then, through Kelsthorpe Station. Now where does he go? Along by the old windmill. Until Thomas arrives at the children's school. Did you remember all those places? Thomas did. Well done, Thomas. Here are some dots. If we join the dots, we will see one of the engines of the Sodor Railway. Can you guess which engine it is? Let's join the dots and find out. Off we go. There's the front of the engine. It's very straight, isn't it? And you can't see the wheels. They're hidden. The back and the top. They're quite straight too. Do you know which engine this is yet? It has a small funnel. This is a very square engine. There's only one engine that shape. Yes, it's Toby. Hello, Toby.